Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back and welcome if you are new here. And if you love upcycle and DIY project, you are in for treat today because I'm going to be sharing 4 projects on how you can style your old picture frame other than putting a pictures in them. So stay with me and let's get started. I've decided to paint the whole frame in a tone of sage and I gave it a couple of coats. While the paint is drying, I printed out a picture of mushroom from internet and then I cut it out. I apply a thin layer of PVA glue to the back of my picture and carefully place the picture to the frame, smoothing out any wrinkles and let it dry. Next, you would need a few branches with different shapes and sizes. First things what I wanted to do, just to place branches in position and use a pen to mark where you would like a piece of the wood to go, and then use wood glue or super glue to attach to your frame. To add some extra interest to the frame, I've decided to embellish with some greenery. I found this black plastic net protection from my husband's garden stuff. I use a staple gun to attach the entire piece to the back of the frame. And then paint it with a white chalk paint to tone it down and look more unifying. I wasn't satisfied how it turned out, so I've decided to give the frame an aged appearance. had this Home Sweet Home wall key holder for such a long time, and I think this is gonna fit here perfectly. So with a couple of screws I attached to the frame. I mark the center of the top of my frame, and then I use a screw to secure the hook. And for embellishment, I added a wreath of artificial greenery. I'm really pleased with how this turned out, so you can easily to change up when it comes to season and occasions. I chose to paint with a white chalk paint, but you can paint with any color you like. I had this plywood piece from another project, and I gave it a couple of coats of the same white paint. When my paint was dry, I drill a hole in each corner to run some twine through, and don't forget to secure with a knot at the end. Place your piece of plywood in the middle of the frame, space your twine evenly, and then stapling into the frame and trim off those extra twine. I had those scribbled letters, and I thought it would be a good idea to spell out the word live, laugh, and love. Once I place it, I glue them with a super glue. And the rest of the meaning I handwriting on the black carbon transfer paper. For this project, you'll need a epoxy frame. Empty out the frame and then paint. First coat I'm painting with the white chalk paint. For the second coat I went for light green paint. And then I apply a dark brown paint and with a glove straight away remove the excess of the paint. I decided to use a tin as my basket. Just slightly flatten the top and the middle by creating an oval shape, and then paint any color you like. Once I was happy with my colors and they were completely dry, I brought out some IOD transfer sheets, and it is very easy to work with them and they look amazing. As you can see here, I'm laying it down, and then I am happy with the position. I began to rub the image of the plastic into my basket. I attached some twine to hang my basket and stuffed with the artificial lavender. So now it's time to place everything together. I really love how it's turned out. It gives me a few options of how I can display it, either open or close. Let me know in the comment which ones is your favorite. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!